Types of plants. Plants grow in different places. Some plants grow on land and some in water. Some plants grow in deserts, some on mountains, and a few in very cold regions. The place where a plant grows and lives is called its habitat. The main factors that decide the habitat of a plant are the type of soil, amount of rainfall, temperature, and altitude, that is, height from the sea level. Let us learn about some common plants in our surroundings. Plants in the garden. A garden in front of a house makes the house look beautiful. We grow beautiful flowering plants in the garden. Some people also grow vegetables in the garden called kitchen garden. Since a garden has limited space, we should utilize its every part properly. We should select the plants according to their size and the space available. Some common garden plants are rose, tulip, marigold, dahlia, pansy, money plant, cactus, rubber plant, and bougainvillea. Some people also grow palm and ashoka trees. Plants in the farm. A farm is a large piece of land where different types of crops or fruit plants are grown. The farms where crops are grown are called fields. An orchard is a piece of land where fruit plants are grown on a large scale. The farmer sells these crops or fruits in the market to earn money. Some major crops grown in India are rice, wheat, maize, pulses, vegetables, cotton, sugarcane, and tea. The northern plain is called the food bowl of India. People grow almost all crops in this plain. Mountain soil is good for raising orchards. That is why most orchards are found in the hilly regions. Himachal Pradesh is often called the apple state of India. Similarly, vineyards are found in Nashik in Maharashtra. Lychee is grown in Bihar. Nagpur is famous for oranges. And Gujarat is famous for sapodilla or chiku. Plants along the roadside. You might have seen trees of different types along the roadside. Have you ever thought why plants are grown along the roadside? Actually, plants are grown along the roadside for shelter and beautification. These plants are grown and maintained by the government agencies. Plants grown along the roadside are generally shady. For example, ashoka, sal, teak, mango, banyan, neem, etc. Some small plants are also grown on the dividers of the roads. Wild plants. Plants that grow on their own are called wild plants. Some of these are useful to us. They give us fruits, raisins, fibers, rubber, wood, medicine, etc. Some wild plants in the forests bear fruits that are eaten by the people living in those areas. Some wild plants provide us fruits. Some wild plants have medicinal value. Some wild plants give us valuable wood. Who do trees belong to? Trees are of immense value. They not only provide us food, raisins, wood, medicines, paper, spices, etc., but also keep the air fresh. That is why trees are called the earth's lungs. They maintain the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the nature. Therefore, trees belong to all of us. They are the gift of nature. It is our duty to protect and take care of trees. Government agencies take care of the plants grown in the parks and along the roadside. These agencies employ gardeners who take care of these plants. The Forest Department takes care of the trees in the forests. They also protect the trees from the illegal cutting. People who are found guilty are punished severely. Points to remember. Plants can be seen in parks, gardens, orchards, fields, and along the roadside. A farm is a large piece of land where different types of crops or fruit plants are grown. An orchard is a piece of land where fruit plants are grown in a big way. Plants are also grown along the roadside for shelter and beautification. Wild plants grow on their own. Wild plants provide us with fruits, medicines,